Hi all. In this session, we're going to understand the history of the Java. We all know that Java is a programming language or technology. By using this, we can develop any of the applications. We'll try to understand the history of the Java. So Java software developed at Sun Microsystem, under the guidance of James Gosling. Who is James Gosling? He is a Canadian computer scientist. So in the early of 1990, the software has started. They have started working on this. In the mid of 1991, they have released in the industry with the name of Oak, OAK. This is a scientifically, this is a tree name. This is a one tree name. So they have released the Oak software in the market in 1991. By that time, this is very famous to develop the applications for electronic and mechanical and also automobile devices. So by that time, industry opinion is it was able to fulfill few requirements, but still some few requirements it was unable to satisfy. So that is the reason what they have done is Sun Microsystem developers, again under the guidance of James Gosling, they will already they have released a work, right? What they have done is they have revised or re-engineered this Oak software, and they have released another product in 1995. They have released again in 1995. That name they have released in the name of Java. So scientifically, this is a coffee seed name. So in the 1995, they have released Java. So this is a history of the Java. Now we'll try to understand what are the different softwares available in the Java. So initially, let us try to understand initially how it was and now what are the terminologies we can use in the Java software. We'll try to understand now. So in the initial stage, they have Java software is available in the three types. One is we can say J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. So what is J2SE? J2 is SE nothing but Java 2 Standard Edition. So similarly, J2EE is Java 2 Enterprise Edition. And J2ME is Java 2 Micro or Mobile Edition. So these are the softwares available initial days. However, after that, we used to start calling these as a JSE. J2SE is nothing but JSE. It's a JSE, and J2EE is nothing but we call it as a JEE and JME. So we started calling this as the JSE, Java Software Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Micro or Mobile Edition. So currently, actually purpose of this, we'll try to understand the purpose of this first. So if you want to develop any of the client-side application, we can use a J2SE software and we can develop that application. In the server-side applications, we can by using J2EE, we can develop the server-side applications. And if you want to create or develop any of the mobile applications, we will use by J2ME. We achieved this. I mean, we can develop that applications. So currently in the market, there are four platforms of the Java program. Four platforms it is available. let's say we'll try to understand what is a platform, what is a programming language, what is a technology. So before that, what is the currently available? Just I'll try to give you. So currently, as discussed, Java SE, Java EE, Java ME, and Java FX also available in the current market. These are the four platforms available in the currently available in the market. So what is the purpose? Already we know that if you want to develop any of the client side applications, we can use that. If you want to use any enterprise editions, like I mean server side programs, so we can use it. For mobile application, we can use ME. FX is it's a if you want to create any application, so a rich internet based applications, if you want to create it, it will give you the more flexibility, and also user friendly related applications we can create it by using Java FX. So if your website having any dynamic content handling, so that kind of is features it has, so that in that case we can use the by using Java FX we can develop those applications. So we'll try to understand the versions of the Java. So initially Java technology versions and Java language versions. We'll see what is Java technology. Why are we calling Java as a technology? Why are we calling Java as a language? Why are we calling as a Java as a platform also? We'll see that after some time. So let's understand what initial days what happens is Java technology version. So they have released, they used to call like that Java. So language version is JDK 1.0. JDK 1.1 and Java 2, JDK 1.2, Java 5. Suppose let's see 5, nothing 5. So JDK 1.5. Like this series of versions they have released in the market. What is the current version of the Java? Let's see if I Google it, Java latest version here. So let me go to this Oracle. We all know that now from Microsoft handled by this Java to Oracle, right? So this Oracle product now. And if you observe here carefully, these are the Java technology. Java 23, 21, and Java 17 are available. So the long-term support is a JDK 21. JDK 21 is a version now. So we can consider, so Java 21 is a technology version and JDK 21 is a programming language version. So now let's see if we observe just now. This is a Java 21 programming language version is JDK 21. JDK is Java Development Kit. It contains JRE and inside the JVM. We'll discuss about what is JDK and what is JRE and what is JVM, what it will do. But currently, try to understand this version is a Java technology version is 21 and language version is JDK 21. This is nothing but one software we can consider. Okay. JDK is a software. So by using this, we can develop the any of the application. Now we'll try to understand what is a technology, what is a programming language, what is a platform. So often everyone is getting confused. Sometimes people are calling as a Java as a programming language, and also sometimes people calling as a Java is also a platform. Java is also a technology. First try to understand what is programming language, what is a platform, what is a technology. So Java is all actually. Like we can say Java is a programming language, Java is a platform, Java is a technology. We'll try to understand these terminologies first. What is a programming language, first of all? So, I mean, if you want to achieve any program, or else if you want to write any program, we can use programming language, right? You can use any, for example, you can take any of the programming language. Suppose Java, or Python or .NET, any of the programming language. In general, what's a programming language? Every programming language contains their set of rules and syntaxes, right? It contains set of rules and syntaxes. By using this, we can write the program, correct? Suppose, let's take one example. I am the developer. I am using the Java language, programming language, and I will write a addition program. So what I can do that is, based on the Java programming language syntax, I can write the program. So int a equal to 2, int b equal to 3 something. So into c equal to a plus b. So what I'm doing here, based on the Java syntax, I have written some logic or functionality. I have written, and what I'm doing here currently, I'm just trying to instruct the computer to do this. Computer, what you can do is, you can go ahead and create one variable and store this value to this variable. And after that, you can create one more variable and store this. And after that, you compute these two, add these plus and two, and give this results you can store into this and display this result. So like that, some instructions I'm giving to the computer. Right? You understand programming language, right? What is a programming language? Developers use any of the program language and they can write the syntax or functionality based on the syntax of the programming language. This is the programming language. But how computer can understand this all the things? Because computer can understand only binary language, right? The 0 1 language. So how it will be converted to this one? So that is nothing but a platform. If you write one program by using any of the programming language, but you need some platform to convert whatever your logic written that into machine understandable language. So for that, what happens is Java provide by default one by default one program they have designed and they have released as part of the Java software. Nothing but what, suppose, let's take this example only. I have written this logic, right? So when you compile this Java program, what it will do is, Java program will give you one byte code. So this bytecode is nothing but a unreadable format. I mean, we can't read that 0 1, I mean, binary format. It will give you one file. Okay, bytecode, it will generate it once you compile this code. So this one, what it does is, JVM is a Java virtual machine. Some program they have written. In what JVM will do is, once you compile this one, you will get this bytecode, right? This bytecode, it will read that bytecode and convert into the machine native understandable form. That means I am running this complete program into Windows machine currently, right? So JVM will convert this bytecode into the understandable form of Windows. If suppose another OS, if I use, suppose Linux. So this bytecode, JVM will convert this bytecode into the understandable form of the Linux OS, like that. So this is nothing but a platform. So Java by default created some internal program and providing as part of the Java software. So that is the reason we are calling Java as a platform also. Java is not only the programming language, and also it's a platform. And try to understand the technology. What is a technology? Technology is a broader category that includes various, like not only the program, like frameworks it contains, and also different tools and set of tools, and it should be able to communicate with the hardware devices and software devices, all these features. So if you have contained all these features, then we can call that as a technology, right? So Java gives all these facilities. When you develop the program, not only develop the program, the aim of technology is, along with the development of the application, the operations of hardware and software solutions also. Whatever you want to connect with hardware devices or software services, all these things, it should be able to provide some solutions. So that solutions Java can give us. That is the reason Java is not only the programming language, Java is programming language and also platform and also technology. Now, uh, I hope you understand the complete picture here. This is about the Java history. Thank you all.